The Lee E10 E-bush is included with your purchase of the TD330 through dovetail jig. The patented E10 E-bush is a unique guide bushing that offers extremely precise joint fit adjustments. The E-bush is what steers the router and bit in and around the template openings. The barrel of the E-bush is elliptical in shape, unlike standard circular guide bushings. Here's why that makes a difference. A standard circular bushing doesn't allow you to compensate for manufacturing tolerances in your tools or the characteristics of different types of wood. The diameter of the elliptical E10 E-bush is widest at the number 10 setting, where the effective diameter is 5/8 of an inch. Less wood is removed, resulting in a tighter fit. Rotating the E-bush from the number 10 setting to the 0 setting reduces the effective diameter by 20/1000ths of an inch. More wood is removed, resulting in wider tail sockets and narrower pins. Each increment on the E-bush changes the diameter by 2/1000ths of an inch. Half an increment changes the diameter by an incredible 1/1000th of an inch. Start your routing at the mid setting of 5. That way, you can quickly route larger or smaller pins and tail sockets. The perfect fit can usually be achieved with 1 or 2 test cuts. Remember to record your settings in the user guide for easy repeatability the next time you route. For more information on the TD330, please visit leetools.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All Lee products carry a full 5-year warranty, and our customer care and technical support are second to none. Lee products are available worldwide through our network of dealers and distributors.